My name is Polian. I'm one of the founders of Lit Capital, and today I want to share with you an amazing opportunity to really excel your standard of living. Lit Capital stands for Learn, Interact, Trade, Learn, Invest, Trade, Learn with Integrity, Trade with a Purpose, and lastly, Learn Institutional Trading. It's a company formed by me and my friend Jacob, where we are specializing in teaching institutional trading concepts to retail traders. Before Lit Capital, I used to work a 9 to 5. I used to work in real estate. As many will know, it's based upon sales, so if you didn't reach your targets for the end of the month, you'd be left with a paycheck that you wouldn't really be satisfied with. And what I realized was I was exchanging a lot of my time for money, having to work a lot of outside of my working hours. And for someone who enjoys, recreational activities with my friends as such, I found that the more time I was spending outside of work was giving me more confidence to believe that what I was doing inside of work wasn't what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. So I realized something had to change, and I realized that I had to find something which would mean that I'd have more freedom, more time to do what I want, when I want, but most importantly, with who I want. Forex trading has changed my life, and due to learning the skill set, I'm able to impact lives globally to be able to take advantage and capitalize from the world economics. Why anyone should join Lit Capital is because we provide value in a number of different ways. We have live trading sessions, we provide ebooks, trading psychology, we provide one-to-one mentoring, and we also go to the extent of having a 24/7 around-the-clock news team which gives you up-to-date fundamental updates to what's happening inside the financial markets. And it doesn't stop there. Now, when you head over to litcapital.co.uk, what you're going to find is a very simple and easy process to signing up and joining our community. Not only that, you're going to have an easy process in learning how to trade from an institutional perspective, because from a retail trader's angle, what you're not understanding is where you're going wrong. 95% of retail traders fail due to bad habits, but not only bad habits, due to their lack of understanding on how they can better themselves inside of the markets. Now, the benefits of learning institutional trading is that you will be more patient, you will be more precise, and you'll also have a lot more success in doing so. With the Lit training program, you're going to receive 10 institutional trading lessons, a one-on-one mentoring service with some of the educators, but most importantly, access to some of the world's best performing traders so that you can copy their trades. Head over to litcapital.co.uk today so that you can book yourself in a free trading consultation. By doing so, you will have a foothold on moving forward into the financial markets and moving with the right people that can give you the right substance, that can give you the right results.